During the monsoons this time, Guwahati had severe flood issues. And this brings me to an issue called USTM. So, University of Science and Technology, which is in Raboi district of your state. So, there are many terminologies floated. May be true, false, that's not my prerogative to judge it. But I'll just put forward it's a part of your state. So that's why I'm putting forward the questions. So these are very straight questions. Does USTM have all the required permissions to construct a campus of this magnitude? Yes or no?
Absolutely. They have taken all the necessary permissions that need for the construction and the overall setting up of a university of this level. And I must also put on record that USTM is doing an excellent job. And they are one of the premier educational institutions of our state. And I've seen the kind of commitment they have shown. Other issues aside, which of course you can debate and and discuss. But I think at the core of the point being that, are they doing what they're supposed to do? Are they giving the quality education to the students who are there? Is the infrastructure, the research that's taking place, what an education institution is supposed to do, are they doing or not? And it's an absolute yes. They're doing an excellent job, and I must congratulate the entire team. And also to answer to your question, that all the necessary permissions as per the rules and regulations that are there, whether it's from the Deputy Commissioner, whether it's from the state government, or whether it's from any agency, all have been taken. Of course, regarding the issue of any kind of environmental issues that are there, you are aware that education institutions are exempted from that permission. So it's not necessary for them to take that permission, but they have to follow certain regulations and norms, which is what they have been very much following. So I just want to clarify that also.